Hello guys, what's up? So this will be the fourth video on Vuitton filters. So I found these 7 new filters yesterday and I'm going to try them. So this is the first one, Luxury Rain by Barbara. Okay, let's go to her profile. Okay, we are in her profile. Let's look for Luxury Rain. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, let's go back. Second one, Happy Monogram, again from Prada. Okay, this one. So this was Happy Monogram. Let's go back. Luxury Me again. Okay, this one. Okay, this was Luxury Me. Let's go back. Luxury Rain, again by her. Okay, let's go back. Now this is Neon Party. Let's go to the creator profile. Okay, this is Neon Party. Neon Party, let's go back. Okay, LB Gold. Call me Kana. The first one. And this is LB Beauty. I send down. Let's go to the creator profile. Okay guys, so these were the 7 LB filters. So you can go to the creator profile and you can get it from there, or you can go to my profile and you can go to my highlights, this LB highlights, and you can get it from here. All the LB filters are here. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.